5 tips to start meditating. Number 1, start small. Place your hands over your heart and take 5 to 10 seconds just to breathe, feel your breath move, feel your heart beat. You're gonna wanna do this 5 to 10 times a day. You can set reminders on your phone, and the goal is for you just to kind of remember to stop amidst the chaos and take a moment to breathe. So you just build it up from there, kind of like an exercise program for your mind.
I am absolutely confident that you will find methods of meditation that work for you if you keep trying different things. I'm going to give you way more than 4 simple ideas, and one of them is guaranteed to work for you. So grab your notepad and hit the subscribe button right now, because we both know you're here because you get distracted like me.
Tip number 2, release the rules. This is all about clearing your mind to get to know yourself better. So stressing about the right way to meditate is definitely contradictory to the benefit. You can position your body and breathe whatever way you need to, just to connect with that inner softness. Take that time to breathe 5 or 10 times, and you start to feel how your breath changes. It can release anxiety, give you new energy, and it's worth trying. Tip number 3, headphones create headspace. Now, sometimes it's hard to just turn off all the distractions, but do we have to let every sound that's coming at us penetrate our minds? You may need to keep an eye out on the kids or where you're walking, but when the chaos is too much, sometimes you do have the choice to turn the volume down. My 4th tip is movement. Prolonged stillness is definitely something that we all need to build up to. So don't consider it any sort of negative sign if you're not quite ready to sit still. In fact, dance meditation is my favorite way to connect with my own body. And I put my headphones in, dance around until I'm energized or exhausted, or whatever it is that I needed to clear from myself is gone, and it works. So don't discount the need to move. You may like something like Tai Chi or yoga that helps you connect to your body in a more pattern rhythmic way. You may like to go free flowing, just walking or going outside barefoot, sitting in nature. Tip number 5, try new sounds and environments. It took me a long time to realize that I didn't enjoy meditating because what I considered meditation was guided, and I had a really difficult time visualizing things with my eyes closed. So I actually connected to meditation for the first time to the sound of a box fan of all things. You may not have found the right method for you yet. It may be still and silent, pitch dark, or it could be something moving and vibrant, focusing on something small. All of these are forms of meditation. Don't beat yourself up if you're not doing something traditional. You just want to find ways ultimately to be present in your body and in this moment right now. Bonus. Get comfortable or take off any restrictive clothing if necessary. If you have any opportunity to have some quiet or space to yourself, hopefully you utilize that just to connect with yourself or do something that you enjoy, even like a hobby. Something artistic can be a form of meditation as well. Writing a song or playing one. Don't discount all the different ways that you can connect with yourself and be present in this moment and lift yourself out of chaotic or heavy energy that may be surrounding you. For more guidance, I suggest Ram Dass's Journey of Awakening, a meditator's guidebook. And if you're interested in that book, there's a link below.
So what would you like to talk about next? Please leave ideas for me below in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you are looking for meditation that's a bit more traditional, please check out my entire gallery in my meditation playlist to dissolve stress and anxiety in our minds and bodies. Thank you so much for being here.